Shubor nakaslem jong unong Saiñ Hima.
Menteri Beripet ia ketenat social welfare ubapo lingdo. Haba jubab ia kejingkeli Halor ke all party committee, bat kejingkentat jong ke VPP, bat ke Kongres, bandan bentalang, ulaong bakane kamat kadai banlong kamat, bakin hab ban keren bat ia tai bunia. Ulaong baka jingthau ke sorkar ia ke all party committee Halor ke Lynti rel, kalong ban ia Phylliew Jingmut kumno ban le haswa, ban shim kanu karai bakhadu. Ula banrap dah kebaong ba kan bahasibun bagi Seng Saiñ Pyrthei kindon lang bat ban pen sngow ya ke jing ai Jingmut jongki syaka sorkar bat kinyo sngow ru ya ke jing pen sngow baka sorkar kadan. Ladakum ni kami ke jing bametrai lang ke jing thumu jong ka sorkar ngimtip shanu kan poi. Hatu kan dia ke jing persang jong ka sorkar kan sa bed ha ke jing atatin.
Regarding the demands not only from VPP, yesterday Congress also mentioned about the independent probe into Snehawalang issue.
The parliamentary party of the UDP is scheduled to meet today at 4 p.m. So I'm sure that this issue will come up for deliberation and consideration. We should be able to brief you once our discussions are over.
A related issue, all-party committee on railway. Many, at least two have backed out, Congress and VPP. So what is the mind of them?
I do not know what actually prompted such a reaction because this is a highly sensitive matter that has been raised from time to time, and we thought that an all-party committee would be the best platform because you get to hear all views, counter views, neutral views. But if this is the kind of reaction, then I do not know. It just means that this effort will fail, and we will continue to be in a state of limbo.
Party will be taking a decision in this regard. UDP will be taking a decision.
I do not know because it all depends on who raises matters in the PP meeting today. Let's see if it comes up. I'll brief you if it comes up.